So Gavin, I'm really looking forward to welcoming the folks from ISME here for our big conference in 2026. I mean,
Really worried about Mike. I think we should talk to him.
Yeah, I'm really worried too. I think it's time for that intervention. Mike, we really need to talk. We're getting really worried about you.
Yeah, Mike, you're really obsessed about the ISME conference. It's all just getting too much.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? I'm absolutely fine. I just need to figure this all out. How do we make a more extreme ISME video? Just need it to be more extreme. How do we make a more extreme ISME video? I just need it to be more extreme. More extreme. Just need it to be more extreme. More extreme. Just need it to be more extreme.
We'll protect you, professors. Run! Run! Run!
Oh, what?
Are you okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I just need to make a more extreme ISME video. It just needs to be more extreme. Oh, hey, Matt. Thanks for getting back to me.
No problems, Mike. You did say it was urgent.
Yeah, it's very urgent. I'm making a new video for ISME20 and really need some extreme sampling. Is that something you can help me with?
I can, Mike. I'm on it.
Oh, that's great. Thanks, Matt. Well, I'd love to stay and talk, guys. It's been great. But, sorry, I've got a plane to catch. Catch you in Middle Earth. Oh, hey, Matt. That was quick. What's up?
Yeah, hey, Mike. I just dropped outside and got some grass. Is that extreme enough?
Matt, sampling grass is not extreme at all. What are you talking about? Come on, do better. Right, I'm here to jump out of a perfectly good airplane and get my air microbiome sample at 16,000 feet. Time to get extreme.
So, Chris, do you remind me, why are we doing this?
Well, Mike thinks we're not extreme enough, so we're here to show him that we are. So we're going to sample from the Middle Earth. Let's go.
How high are we?
I don't want to know.
Do you think Mike will think this is extreme enough?
I bloody well hope so.
Whoa, this is high. Oh, this is too high.
Do you think the folks at ISME would be impressed?
They better be.
Man, that was extreme. It's amazing. Worth it though to get that air microbiome sample at 16,000 feet. Oh man, I lost the sample.
This is like what Mike did, but in slow motion.
This is more extreme than skydiving.
So how do we actually get out of here?
We're going to have to collect some samples from these caves.
There better not be any hobbits. I hate hobbits and their hairy feet. You really want me to sample in that cave?
Yes. And I'm going to collect some from here. Good luck, Gavin.
Where am I? Oh, where am I?
got it. Where's Gavin gone? Gavin! 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 Gavin!
Yeah, hi Mike. Yep. What? More extreme. Ah, Antarctica. Ah. A beautiful spot. Wonder what's in here? Ah, Christy.
You're late.
Oh, a microbial ecologist is never late. But there is a reason, sorry. I lost my air sample.
Oh well. I lost Gavin.
Oh well, off to the pub then.
Yeah, I think so.
Guinness. Cheers. Oh, it's Matt.
Mike, on a volcano in Antarctica, on an island, and I'm about to sample some geothermal soils. Is this extreme enough for you?
Oh, that's great.
It is?
Thanks, Matt.
Awesome. Thank you.
Good old Matt. Matt really came through for us. Saved the day. He's got some samples.
Why? Where have you sent him now?
Oh, to Antarctica, of course.
Oh, Mike, I'm really worried about you. Is that finally enough now?
I think that's enough now.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Cheers to ISME.
Cheers to ISME20.
That's... Ah, hey look, it's my air sample. Where did that come from? Ah, cool. My precious. I mean, my sample. See you at ISME.
Where's he gone?